Hello guys! If you're looking for a simple way to earn extra cash with eToro, I will show you how to get eToro Referral Bonusto. Refer a friend promotion lets you and your friends both get rewarded. And it only takes a few steps. Here's how it works. First, make sure you're a resident of one of the eligible US states. Then, grab your unique referral link from your eToro account and share it with friends who are brand new to eToro. For the bonus to work, your friend needs to sign up using your link, verify their account, and deposit at least $100 using their own payment method. They also can't live in the same household as you. Once they've done that, both of you will get a $30 bonus. Just remember, your friend has to finish registration within 30 days. And it may take up to 14 days for the reward to appear. You can earn this reward up to 10 times, so the more friends you invite, the more rewards you can collect. If this sounds useful, make sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel, drop a comment letting me know if you're going to try the eToro referral program, and don't forget to share this with a friend who might want to join too.